On block 210,000, the reward for mining a block was reduced from 50 Bitcoin to 25. As with the limited supply, the halving of the mining rewards was included in the Bitcoin protocol since the beginning to limit inflation and ensure the scarcity of Bitcoins. The halving happens every 210,000 blocks, or approximately every 4 years. And since this first one, we've had two more. The second one on July 9th, 2016, and the third on May 11th, 2020. The halvings will continue until the reward drops to zero, when all 21 million Bitcoins will have been issued. And it's expected to happen somewhere around the year of 2140. After that point, the miners will be rewarded only with the transaction fee.
We've got a lot more videos for you, so just click any of these to keep watching.